Blinx, the Time Sweeper, Intellivision Lives, Ed and Eddy, the Mis-Edventures, the Haunted Mansion, Ice Age 2, the Meltdown, Sonic Heroes, Vexx, Hitman II, Silent Assassin, Curious George, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory video games, Crash Tag Team Racing, X2 Wolverine's Revenge, The Legend of Spyro, A New Beginning, Scooby-Doo Mystery Mayhem, The Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, The Witch and the Wardrobe, Shrek II, Pac-Man Begins, Psychonauts, Legacy of Kain, Defiance, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, Star Wars Jedi Knight Roman II, Jedi Outcast, The Punisher, The Incredibles, Rise of the Underminer, Pac-Man World 2, Stubbs the Zombie and Rebel Without a Pulse, Lego Star Wars Roman II, the original trilogy, Dead Revolver, Lego Star Wars, the video game, The Warriors, James Bond 7, Nightfire, SpongeBob SquarePants, Battle for Bikini Bottom, Prince of Persia, Warrior Within, Ninja Gaiden, Mortal Kombat Deception, Oddworld, Munchie's Odyssey, Ultimate Spider-Man, Leisure Suit Larry Magna Cum Laude, Turok Evolution, Shenmue Roman II, Prince of Persia, The Two Thrones, Conquer, Live and Reloaded, Prince of Persia, The Sands of Time, Siberia, Destroy All Humans, The Simpsons Hit and Run, Jet Set Radio Future. Star Wars, Knights of the Old Republic.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.